Eve, why do you have a winter coat on? Why don't you want to get sunburned?
You gotta put your hat up too, though, because it's your face I was most worried about.
What's wrong? You don't want to wear sunscreen? So you put a winter coat on? Okay, have fun riding your bike with a winter coat on.
That's one of the funniest things.
You are creative. Do you want a lighter jacket? I have a lighter jacket.
Do you want a hat?
Okay, have fun.
So she passes out. And then she's almost smiling.